Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Volkswagen Golf for sale. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Some nice red stitching accents. Definitely a very sporty Volkswagen Golf here. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Come around to the back of the vehicle here. So we have our GTI and Volkswagen badging. Trunk. And we'll take a look at our rear seats here next. You can see that red accent stitching. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we'll look at the driver's side next. Driver seat controls, driver door controls, steering wheel. And let's hop inside. Mileage currently at 23,934. And we do have a push-button ignition. So here we can see our Volkswagen touchscreen display. Currently pulling up the radio there. And backup camera. Climate controls, including seat warmers. And the shifter. If you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.